Assalamu alaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the working of the cloud computing, how the cloud computing works. So let's start it. We will discuss that. I also have a website data which gives us the more detail about the cloud technology working. So first of all, we will discuss on a cloud on a website. In more advanced terms, cloud computing works through data centers. In more advanced terms, cloud technology works through data centers instead of using the storage space on your phone, computer, or tablet. Your information is housed in virtual services. These virtual servers connect to huge data centers which have the infrastructure to store and protect your data. It basically says that cloud technology works through the data centers instead of using the storage space on our phone, computer, or tablet. Our information is hosted in a virtual servers. These virtual servers connect to huge data centers which have the infrastructure to store and protect your data. Cloud computing gives rise to cloud hosting. As the name states, companies that specialize in cloud computing host their own cloud services. Hosted cloud services can be public or private. The route you choose depends on your business need and constraint. For example, we at Eventure have built our own private cloud that we and our clients use, but the Google Drive or iCloud on your phone is a public cloud because anyone can use it. Also, we can see here in more advanced terms, cloud computing works through data centers. Basically, the cloud computing is worked through data centers instead of using the storage space on your phone, computer, or tablet. Your information is hosted in virtual servers. These virtual servers connect to huge data centers which have the infrastructure to store and protect the data. It connect the data from it infrastructure and store and protect the data from the virtual servers. Also, we can see here what is the more about the cloud computing work. How does cloud computing work step by step? It uses a software middleware to ensure seamless connectivity between drivers computers linked via cloud computing. Cloud computing service provides usually maintain multiple copies of the data to mitigate instance of service threats, data loss, data breach, etc. It can basically says that how does cloud computing work step by step. It gives the detail about the software middleware to ensure seamless connectivity between devices and computers linked via computing technology. It also gives the more detail about that. Also, we go on a Google and see the more detail about the cloud computing work. And we can see here how does cloud computing work in HCL Technologies. HCL Technologies is also the basic is the basic technologies. We can discuss more about that about the cloud computing here. Cloud computing is an application based software infrastructure that stores and on remote servers which can be accessed through the internet. To understand how cloud computing works, it can be divided into front end and back end. Also, it gives the more detail about the global world. You can also get the information about the cloud computing more on here. Also, we go on images and see the more images on that. you can see that this is the user device and this is the internet connection, application database, and it is the cloud setup, and it is the application database which is the cloud setup is connected with the application database, and the application database is communicating with the user device, and the user device is communicating with the application database. Also we can see here how cloud storage works: client computer control node, database storage, database storage. These are three database storage which is controlled by the control node, and the client computer is connected by the control node which get the detail about that.